Do you ever feel like your mind is a nonstop playground of wild ideas? Perhaps you catch yourself daydreaming about wild worlds or doodling ideas in the margins. Creative geniuses often blend playfulness with determination, seeing the world as full of possibilities. Let's dive into 20 signs that your brain is a creativity powerhouse. Do you find your thoughts drifting into daydreams? Creative brains are imaginative playgrounds. You might wake up with ideas of spaceships, castles, or wild stories. Even ordinary scenes can transform. Walking to the store, you imagine a secret world around every corner. Are you always asking why and what if? Curiosity is the rocket fuel of creativity. You devour new facts, tinker with ideas, and jump from topic to topic like a kid in a candy store. Does your brain feel like a blender of wild ideas? Creative geniuses fuse concepts, robots with dinosaurs, poetry with math, sparking constant idea storms. Do you spot hidden connections in nature, numbers, or stories that most miss? Creative minds see the secret formula behind everyday magic. You see life as a playground and still buckle down for hours when inspiration hits. Your creativity thrives on this playful discipline. When you love a project, you lose all track of time, working for hours straight. Your obsession fuels your creativity. You embrace messy failures and wild tests. Each oops is just data on the path to brilliance. Your best ideas bloom in solitude. Quiet moments let your imagination run wild. Your quirky habits, talking to plants, odd attire, are the very sparks that light your creativity. Your passion is infectious. You tackle projects with boundless energy and inspire everyone around you.